Hey guys, it's Brian again with another ceiling fan video. What I have for you here is a 48-inch DEMCO spinner ceiling fan with 3 metal blades, brown in color. And I believe this to be from the late 1970s, early 1980s. This one I got from Donald Root on one of the Fanimation group trips. Originally came with a light kit on it, but I quickly took that off because I don't really want a light kit on this particular fan. As you can see, cosmetically it's not in the greatest shape in the world, but it'll do. It's got some paint on the upper canopy, and it's got some marks on the blades, but other than that, it runs pretty good. It does have some bearing noise, so I definitely need to crack apart the motor and take a look at the bearings. These are actually childhood fans for me. DEMCO stands for Wai Electric Manufacturing Company. These were made in China. More specifically, I believe these were made in Taiwan. Same factory as the CEC version of these fans, Commander version of these fans. Basically anything that is similar to a DEMCO was made in the same factory. Gulf Coast, Commander, DEMCO, all made by Wai Electric Manufacturing Company. So, very cool fan, very powerful. Right now I've got it on my solid state speed control testing box. It's a 2 amp control. So, these are childhood fans for me. There are several of these inside one of the main buildings at Jamie's Flea Market in Amherst, and they are brown. And if I'm not mistaken, they are either the same size or slightly bigger. I can't remember off the top of my head, but I remember seeing these and I always thought they were really cool. I really like these DEMCO industrial looking metal bladed spinner fans. So anyway, let's go ahead and fire it up. We're going to start with the lowest speed. And this thing spins super slow on the lowest speed on the speed control. It's got a really nice aesthetic low. Unfortunately, the motor tag on top of the motor is missing, and it did not come with the original speed control, but the fact that I even have this fan is pretty cool because I've wanted one of these for a long time. As you can see, it's got a really nice aesthetic low speed on the controller. So we're going to give it a slight turn on the controller. A little bit faster. Not fast enough to necessarily move a lot of air, but still a pretty cool low range of speeds. Give it another slight turn here. You can feel a little bit of air movement at this speed, but not really that much. So let's give it another slight turn. It does have a little bit of a hum to it, but not that much. Definitely more air movement. This one also did not come with the original mounting parts, so it is mounted on a ball socket bracket just for testing purposes. Probably in the future I'd mount it the same way too. Another turn on the controller. Definitely more air movement. You can start hearing the bearings there. definitely gonna have to look into either replacing or oiling those bearings. And another turn on the controller. Yeah, those bearings are pretty bad. Moving a heck of a lot of air though. Another turn on the controller and up to high speed. And you know, despite the noisy bearings, this thing is really moving the air. Super powerful fan. Very impressive amount of air movement. It's a really good quality fan, you know, pretty heavy motor. Go ahead and shut it down and we'll spin down. Yeah, those bearings are awful. Definitely gonna crack that motor open and do some work. Most of what's on the blades is just dirt. Quite honestly, I haven't had a chance to clean this up. But, you know, the fan itself cosmetically is not terrible, but definitely could use a little bit of touch up and some work. You see a lot of these fans in residential homes in Florida, like Boynton Beach. I don't know what it was about the 70s, but everybody wanted one of these like 3-blade metal spinners in their homes down in the retirement communities in Boynton Beach. I guess is a really big area for that. Anyway, so that's the 48-inch brown DEMCO spinner. Hope you guys enjoyed. Keep watching, more videos to come.